Hi everybody, it's Martyn Flicking Feathers again today. I'm trying a wonderful little dry fly for you. This is the Grey Duster. Absolutely deadly. Originally kind of designed for rivers, but works well in still water as well. It's good for a midge hatch or if there's fish smutting on something. As always, I'll put a materials list in the description, along with a link to my Patreon page and the PayPal for anybody who would like to support the channel and get access to the members only content and be entered into the monthly giveaways. So I've got my hook and my vise. This is a size 16, it's the ultimate dry for filling mill, but hook choice is up to you. 16's as big as I would go, 16's down to 22, 24. This fly just seems to stop working if you go much bigger. So keep them small. Start my thread just black uni 8/0, and I'm running down the shank. Oops. I'm going to stop just a bit in line with the barb, just slightly beyond it maybe. The body is dubbed the mole. You don't need a huge amount, but you don't want it doesn't need to be super sparse either. You know, I don't want to see the thread. My wee needle, and just wind your body, make a wee taper as you go. Just back that off, there we go. Just try to build a wee bit of taper into this body, make a wee shaggy short body. Take away any excess dubbing. Tidy up, and you can see it's a nice wee effect you get from the mole there. Now the hackle is badger, and as far as possible, if the sizing allows, I prefer to use like an Indian hackle, right? Like one of these really cheap. I don't know how well you see that there, right? It's not a genetic, it's just a wee £5 Indian neck. This maybe doesn't look as sexy, but it makes a better fishing fly in my opinion. The fibres are less stiff and they move and stuff. So anyway, I've tied that with the good side away from me. Just trim away my stem, and you'll notice this hackle will probably seem slightly oversized, but that's just how it is with these cheap necks. It's hard to get them consistently small enough. Like I'll use a genetic if I'm tying like a 24. Just so I can get enough turns to float the fly. Just got to wind this forward, one turn in front of the other, building up a nice wee hackle. Just don't like that there, just there we go. When I'm happy I've got enough, I'll cross my thread, catch that off, and just pull everything back. A few turns in front to tidy up, and then whip finish. Just build the head as you tie your knot. Just pull the hook and tighten that up. trim away your thread, and you can just reach in, grab that hackle tip, snap it away. And there you go, that's your grey duster. Very, very nice little fly. As I say, it works great. Keep them small. You've got a head cement there. Keep them small, works great in an iron blue hatch. Great for midges. Well worth tying some up. So, hope that was useful. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up below. And subscribe to my channel. Tight lines, guys. Bye.